تو جی السلام علیکم ایوری ون. جیسا کہ آپ کو پتہ ہے میرا نام ثانیہ اپنا والا ہے اور میں ریحان اسکول اورنگی کیمپس کا اسٹوڈنٹ ہوں. تو جیسا کہ آپ کو پتہ ہے کہ ہمیں نئے نئے ٹاسک اسائن کیے جاتے ہیں، تو آج ہم دوبارہ سے آپ کے لیے لائے ہیں ٹریڈر سیشن. تو چلے بنا کسی طرح سے اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. آئی ہوپ آپ کو یہ ریویو دیکھنے کے بعد آپ کو بھی بہت ساری چیزیں سیکھنے کو ملیں گی، سمجھنے کو ملیں گی، اور انشاءاللہ میں بھی ان چیزوں کو سمجھوں گا اور آپ تک اور مزید اچھے سے سمجھانے کی کوشش کروں گا. چلیں بنا کسی دیر کے اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. تو ہمارے جو ٹریڈرس کا ٹاپک ہے وہ ہے ہاؤ ٹو گین کنٹرول آف یور فری ٹائم، جو کہ انسپائرڈ ہے لورا ون ڈیرکم. چلیں ہم ایک بار ریویو کرتے ہیں اور آپ لوگ کو سمجھاتے ہیں. السلام علیکم everyone. Today I'm going to review an inspiring TEDx talk by Laura Van Jerker called How to Gain Control of Your Free Time. This talk focused on a problem that almost everyone faces: feeling busy all the time and believing that there is never enough time to do the things we really want to do. Laura Vanderkam is a writer and time management expert. In her TEDx talk, she challenges of common belief that people do not have enough time. Instead, she argues that the real issue is not the lack of time, but how we managing our priorities better. At the beginning of talk, Laura discusses how often people say, "I don't have time." We hear this first everywhere. Students say they don't have time to study. Adults say they don't have a time to exercise. Many people claim they don't have time to spend with their families or pressure or their hobbies. Laura believes that when have people say that don't have time, but they often mean is that something is not priority for them at the moment. To explain her point, she shares the stories of extremely busy individuals. These people have damaging jobs, families, and many responsibilities. Yet, when something important comes their lives, some show find time for it. This shows that people can make time for things that truly matter to them. Someone explained Laura Gibbs is a woman who was very busy with work and family responsibilities. Despite her packed schedule, she found time to train for a long distance race. Another woman found time to complete a major professional project while taking care of her family. This explain demonstrate that even busy people can accomplish important goals when they decided those goals are a priority. A key idea in the talk is that everyone has the same amount of time. There are 24 hours in every day and one straight hours in every week. Rich people, rich people, poor people, students, teachers, business owners, and celebrities all receive the same amount of time. The difference lies how they choose to spend it. Laura suggests that instead of focusing on 24 hours, we should think in terms of 168 hours each week. Looking at an entire week gives us a broader perspective. Sometimes a single day may seem completely full, but when we examine the whole week, we often find more flexibility and opportunities to schedule giving activities. Another important lesson from the chalk is the value of tracking time. Laura enough of people to write it down to write down how they spend their hours for a few or even a full week. Many people are surprised when they do this exercise, that they discover that they spend much more time on social media, television, uns- unnecessary internet browsing, or other distractions than they originally thought. This idea is especially relevant for students. Many students say they do not have enough time to study or learn new skills. However, if they carefully observe their family habits, they may realize that several hours are spent on activities that do not contribute to their goals. By reducing these distractions, they can create more time for produce work. Laura also emphasizes the importance of planning. She explained uh, she explained is simple but powerful. We all have a time for what we choose to pro- prioritize. When we stop saying I don't have time and start asking how can I am um time for this, we began to take control our lives. To con to con to conclude, uh, how to gain control your free time. In excellent TEDx talk that teaches us the importance of pro, of prioritization, planning, and self-awareness. Laura Vanderkam reminds us that time is one of our most valuable resources. By using it wisely, we can achieve our goals, strengthen our relationships, and lead more meaningful lives. Thank you very much for listening together. तो आज हमारा टास्क कंप्लीट होने जा रहा है और हमारे TEDx का एहतमाम होने जा रहा है। तो इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं किसी और अच्छे से नई सी और एक इंटरेस्टिंग सी वीडियो पर। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।